Let's get started and go across to Hormaz, who is here to tell us what are the top movers in trade today. What was it that he was keeping an eye out?
Extremely choppy, extremely choppy. That was the day that summarized it. It was the broader markets that was seeing some topsy-turvy moves. Can't say the same for the benchmarks because it was a one-way fall in the second half of the session. But the sector that stood out was Pharma. A sector that has been standing out through the last week has been Pharma. And you can see on the screen, AstraZeneca was up 16% at the close of trade. Pfizer also almost double-digit gains. Biocon continues to build on its moves. Lupin ending at the high point of the day, as did JB Chemicals as well, with gains of around 3%. What did not have a very good day, though, was real estate, because that index saw some bit of profit booking. The index, though, is comfortably up 35% for the year, but some stocks seeing profit booking of anywhere between 3 to 5% in today's session. IT was a sector that was in focus since the morning. It did not have that kind of a reaction as envisaged, but most of the stocks, particularly the mid-cap IT names, saw swift recovery towards the later half of trade, be it persistent, Coforge, Emphasis, as you can see the recovery that came in the final few minutes. But TCS and Infosys had a choppy day and they contributed to the downside in today's trading session. Some of the other newsmakers that made headlines in today's session, be it Vodafone Idea, Gujarat Fluoro ending at the low point of the day, Adani Enterprises, the news that came in after almost towards the close of trade with the Wilmar JV, and also the increase in its weightage on the Nifty playing its part in that 7.5% up move. And a couple of listings today, Senor's ending well, but Carraro listing at a discount. And lastly, some stocks that did well on the back of volumes, Happiest Minds, Cera, Credit Access, all of these stocks gaining anywhere between 8% to 15% on extremely strong volumes. Back to you guys.
Thank you very much for that. That rounds up the list of the big movers of the day, stock-specific action.